kaka jomatindo ni mondo gino dhi mbele.
Johala mapacho ka dwaro mondo piny owacho donjierwa e ywaruok manitiere kind piny Malawi kod Tanzania masani omiyo mwandu gi moko omoke boda mar pinjego. Piny Tanzania wachore ni ochungo rwako oganda mar soya mawuok Malawi ei pinyno, wach momiyo mwandu gi osemoko kuom jumbe 2 koro. Chero ni koro miyo thoth joriemb trela moting'o oganda no omoko kendo medo kwano lal mar chung' e tong'no.
Tunaumia kwa ile boda, juu hata gari yangu nimeacha kule. Ndio garau nikuje nione familia, kule pesa nimeishiwa, matajiri wanaumia, mizigo inaharibika, hiyo yote sasa ni hasara. Sasa tunaomba serikali ya Tanzania, magari yenye inaenda transit, either kama ni Kenya ama Rwanda ama wapi, iwachiliwe.
The transport sector has the major and I think the biggest revenue collection for Tanzania, being that they do both export and import across and within the continent in the east, southern and central of Africa. And they are also not even in the Comesa region, and yet they enjoy the privileges and the rights to do the transport. Why can't they just be fair and kind enough to also realize their personal issues which I don't know whether they know how to deal with them or not. They should know how to communicate or how to put an end to issues that are not affecting other partner states.
Waziri wa uchukuzi Tanzania, tunakuomba tafadhali achilia magari ya Wakenya yaliyoko Kasumuru. Hauna shida na Wakenya, wewe uko na shida na wa Malawi. Magari yaliyozuiliwa na Konde upande wa Malawi hayana haki ya kukaa hapo, kwa sababu sisi tunajua sheria za transit. Sheria za transit za Tanzania tunazifahamu kwa sababu hazina tofauti na sheria za Kenya.
Kada wadna mchumbie ne piny owacho